Hi, my name is Dr. John Rapoli, and I want to personally thank you for entrusting in our office. Your first visit is a huge milestone, but sometimes we have lots of questions about, okay, where does this journey take us? And so in this presentation, we want to make sure that you understand your next steps, that you become clear on what's going to happen after your first visit. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out for us. Again, I want to thank you so much for entrusting in our practice, and I look forward to serving you, and our whole team on here congratulates you for taking this first step. Every person's health journey is unique, and that's why your care plan is designed around your individual goals and needs. So whether you've chosen functional medicine or chiropractic, any area that you start with in our practice, the paths share the same mission, right? Helping you to move beyond simply managing symptoms and guiding you towards becoming the healthiest version of yourself. Now, the way we get there may look a little different depending on where you start, but both approaches are built to support lasting healing, more energy, and true transformation. So the journey is going to unfold in roughly 3 phases. The relief care is where we'll focus on reducing and calming your symptoms. Corrective care is where we dig deeper, addressing those root and systemic causes. And then wellness care is really where we build long-term correction, support, optimal health, and not just surviving, but thriving in self-actualization, optimal health, anti-aging, and longevity. Now let's look at the journey ahead. So if your journey began with functional and holistic medicine, you've already completed that initial assessment, consult, the in-office testing. We've ordered some more outside advanced diagnostics, and this is a powerful first step. So from here, we're going to bring together your health history, your personal insights that you shared with us, and any advanced testing to begin the process of uncovering the deeper why behind your signs, symptoms, and goals. So at your next visit, we're going to outline your personalized 90-day program. This is where we review your results with you, connect the dots in your health history, and then map out this clear path from where you are now to where you want to go, right? To connect the dots from point A to point B. So your treatments can include targeted detoxification to clear obstacles to healing, get rid of the toxic burden that is usually manifested through excess, bacteria and viruses and parasites and environmental toxins. We're going to use a targeted and personalized dietary program. We use what's called the biosynchronization diet. This is truly a cutting-edge 21st century approach that is designed nutrition to complement your genetic profile. We're going to use supplement recommendations so you finally know what to take and why to take them. We're going to guidance on exercise and movement strategies, cutting-edge biohack technologies. We'll add in some of these advanced therapies and talk about which ones are going to be best for you. But we have all sorts of different therapies that we can integrate, like red light, PMF, sound bed, advanced meditative techniques, and of course, functional and holistic protocols that get to the root of all imbalances. And of course, knowledge is not enough. We need implementation and embodiment, and that's where personalized one-on-one coaching comes into play and will take center stage in helping you to integrate and apply all of the teachings that you will go through and receive here at our office. Now, if your journey began with chiropractic care, you've also, completed your initial assessment. And because we're a holistic, multidisciplinary office, you're going to benefit from a multidimensional approach to healing. This includes our core 5. So chiropractic adjustments to align your spine and your nervous system, massage therapy to release, muscle tension, improve circulation and support recovery, anti-inflammatory diet, movement, rest, and posture strategies to support daily function and to prevent relapse, stress reduction techniques to restore balance and resilience. So, when appropriate, we may also integrate or recommend advanced therapies, such as the ones that we use in our functional and holistic treatment protocols. In general, as we combine various treatment modalities, we don't just chase symptoms, we address the root causes. And that means you can heal more fully, regain vitality, and thrive at every level. Let's talk about next steps. And all of these links and resources that I'm about to talk about can be found on our website at www.drrepole.com. You go up to the top navigation bar, click on Start Here, and then scroll down to the tab that says Quick Links. So, number one, we want you to complete your homework assignment. If you are a functional holistic medicine patient, we gave you some handouts to complete. We wanted you to reflect on your goals, your values, the wheel of life in a way that you haven't done before. Because willpower is an exhaustible resource. We want you to build why power. It just is the fuel that is needed to make these dietary and lifestyle changes. Number two, we want you to get connected to our online portal. Our online portal is where you're going to find exclusive webinars, ebooks, resources, and every time we give you a handout, you'll find additional resources, videos, ebooks, and so forth to support you inside the portal. So as an example, if we go over detoxification, you'll find an ebook online and videos online. If we go over diet, same thing. So please, if you have any difficulty figuring out how to access that, let us know and we are happy to help you. If you haven't already, join our Facebook community, both our public page and our private group too. This will allow you to take advantage of all of the free tips and videos and really know when we are holding our in-office events and our online webinars and events as well. This is a great opportunity for you to connect with other people, to continue the educational journey, and all of it is for free. Do your best to complete any of the recommended diagnostics. Now, remember, don't worry if all of the results aren't ready before your next visit. We will begin care based on your consultation and your in-office testing. And then as the results come in, we'll begin to fine tune your program. But there's a lot of stuff that we can do in these initial couple of visits to get you started moving in the right direction. So there's no need to wait for the diagnostics to come back before initiating your care, unless someone has told you differently. Schedule your orientation call to get any lingering questions answered, right? This includes finance options. This way you can feel confident and clear about your next visit and moving forward with your personalized health plan. Next, you want to decide on your investment. And we offer several options to make your care both accessible and flexible so you can confidently commit to the value of your treatment. So again, if you have insurance, and it's a covered service like chiropractic, massage, or physical therapy, we'll verify your insurance. Most likely, our front staff has already given you information about what is and what isn't covered. And then we will bill your insurance directly. If it's a non-covered service, if you don't have insurance, and you're engaging in non-covered services like functional medicine or these advanced diagnostics, which are unfortunately not covered by insurance at this moment in time, we have given you some information that we want you to look at so you can go over the pricing. But remember, there are two paths. Path one is a la carte. You can pay per visit as you go. And path two is more of an all-inclusive program, right? A one-time fee with a built-in discount that covers your entire 90-day program. And for additional flexibility, we also offer financing through Care Credit. So please schedule your orientation call and talk with your patient care coordinator so they can help you navigate the world of financing, and so you can decide on the best investment for you and your health. And finally, Stay open to the process. We are truly here to help you. I look forward to seeing you on your next visit and seeing the amazing results that you're going to get over these next 90 days. Thank you so much.